Hello, lovely ladies. Have you ever stood in front of the mirror wearing a beautiful blouse and still felt something was off? Like, the outfit is fine, but your glow feels slightly hidden? And here's a deeper question. Why do some women after 40 look effortlessly youthful in simple blouses, while others look older even in expensive ones? Because here's something most women never realize. A blouse doesn't just cover you, it can either lift your elegance or quietly age your entire presence. Most women don't know this. But it's not your age, it's your blouse choices that are changing your appearance. Now imagine this. A soft, flattering blouse, perfect fabric, gentle structure, and suddenly your entire look feels lighter, fresher, more confident. That transformation is possible. My name is Samia, and today in this video, I'm going to show you 7 blouse mistakes that silently age you after 40, and exactly what to wear instead to look elegant, youthful, and refined. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Samia's Elegance, for more timeless fashion guidance every week. Now, let's begin your transformation. Mistake number 1. Overly baggy blouses. Loss of shape. Problem: many women choose oversized blouses for comfort. Mistake: it removes all definition from the upper body and creates a heavier silhouette. Elegant solution: choose softly tailored blouses that gently define the waist or shoulders. Think of Meghan Markle. Even her relaxed tops maintain subtle structure. Confidence: you look relaxed, but still feminine and refined. Most women don't know this. Comfort and shape can exist together. Mistake number 2. Too many heavy embellishments. Problem: blouses overloaded with heavy embroidery or shiny detailing. Mistake: they visually age the outfit and overpower your natural features. Elegant solution: go for minimal detailing, soft textures, or subtle embroidery. Think of Audrey Hepburn's philosophy of simplicity: less distraction, more presence. Confidence: your elegance becomes natural, not forced. Here's the surprising part. Simplicity always looks more expensive than decoration. Mistake number 3. Wrong neckline choices. Problem: wearing necklines that are too high or too low without balance. Mistake: high necks can feel stiff, while very deep cuts can feel unbalanced after 40. Elegant solution: choose soft V-necks, gentle boat necks, or modest square necklines. Think of Grace Kelly. Her necklines were always balanced and graceful. Confidence: your face appears brighter and more lifted. Most women don't know this. Neckline shape directly affects how youthful your face looks. Mistake number 4. Old-fashioned prints. Problem: wearing outdated floral or overly busy prints. Mistake: it immediately makes the outfit feel older. Elegant solution: choose soft modern prints, abstract florals, or solid colors. Think of Kate Middleton's modern floral choices. Always refined, never overwhelming. Confidence: you look fresh, current, and stylish. This next tip changes everything. Print size and spacing control your visual age. Mistake number 5. Wrong fabric choices. Problem: stiff or shiny synthetic fabrics. Mistake: they highlight texture flaws and reduce elegance. Elegant solution: choose breathable fabrics like chiffon, silk blends, or soft cotton. Think of Rosie Huntington Whiteley. Her fabric choices always flow effortlessly. Confidence: you feel lighter and look naturally radiant. Most women don't know this. Fabric is the first thing people subconsciously notice. Mistake number 6. Dark, heavy colors. All the time problem. Wearing only deep, dull colors thinking they are slimming. Mistake: it can actually drain brightness from your face. Elegant solution: mix soft neutrals, warm pastels, ivory, and muted tones. Think of Sophia Loren. She balanced boldness with warmth in her palette. Confidence: your skin looks more glowing and alive. Here's the surprising part. Light reflecting colors create a youthful illusion instantly. Mistake number 7. Ignoring fit at the shoulders. Problem: poor shoulder fit in blouses. Mistake: it makes the entire outfit look unstructured and tired. Elegant solution: always ensure clean shoulder alignment and soft tailoring. Think of Victoria Beckham. Her sharp shoulder fits define modern elegance. Confidence: you look structured, confident, and effortlessly polished. Most women don't know this. Shoulder fit defines your entire silhouette. Now imagine this: a blouse that fits your shoulders perfectly, a neckline that softly lifts your face, a fabric that moves with your body, and a color that brings light to your skin. You are no longer just dressed. You are refined. Because after 40 months, style is not about hiding age. It is about enhancing presence. And when you understand this, even a simple blouse becomes powerful. Before we end, remember this truth. Most women don't know this. Aging in fashion is not about age. It is about outdated choices. If you enjoyed this elegant transformation, subscribe to my channel Sumia's Elegance for more timeless fashion inspiration every week. And tell me in the comments, which blouse mistake surprised you the most? I would love to know. Until next time, stay elegant, stay radiant, and keep watching my channel for your weekly dose of timeless fashion inspiration.